Greetings, Airstreamers. Here's a walk down the side of our 2018 Globetrotter. I've been working on the redesign of Airstream's screen door system. Everybody's probably familiar with the plastic slider in the screen door. So, typically you slide it and have to reach up for the little hoop handle, which I thought may, reduce this to one motion instead of two, just for fun. So I've got a handle here in this assembly. So if you pull to the left, it opens the screen door away from the main door. And then if you slide it down, it slides it across. And then this handle, it locks it all back up. So I tried to keep the design as Airstream looking as possible. And I think it looks pretty good. So opening the door to the other side, here's the mechanism on the flip side. So this would be sandwiched between the doors or exposed when just the screen door is closed. So you have this little slider, and there's a little bearing at the top that sits up in the plastic Airstream hoop. And then this piece of diamond plate, it's got a little aluminum L pop riveted to it, and that creates the track for the slider, so it engages back into its default position. So to open the door, you just take the bottom knob and slide it, and so the bearing pulls the knob with it. And then to open the slider without the screen door coming with it, you just drop the knob here and let go, and then you can reach in and pass through or deploy the awning or whatever it is without having to open the screen door. And then to close it, you simply just take the knob, and you can see that the little slider up at the top here just follows the track and then pops back in. And there you have it. Redesigned Airstream screen door. If there's a lot of interest or significant interest or any interest in this, I'll post kind of how I came up with this idea and some of the details of the spring mechanism. So leave a comment, and if there's enough interest, I'll put a follow-up.